What's up guys, happy Wednesday. Welcome to an unboxing video here on the channel. We had a lot of shoes come in over the past couple weeks or so, and I just wanted to unbox them all at once so we could just use this. And we're going to try to do a weekly unboxing video every single week now. I have a new posting schedule. Here it is. I'll put it on the screen as well right over here. Try to keep me to this, but no promises per se. So every Monday we're going to be coming at you guys with a brand new live cop, a brand new episode of Resell Life every single Monday. Wednesday we're going to try to do an unboxing video every single week. If we don't have enough to unbox, I'll just make something, that way we can still post on Wednesday. And then I'm going to try to bring you guys beater boxes on Friday. I got a membership to Soul Supremacy, so we will be bringing back the beater boxes to the channel. We have a really cool video coming for you guys on Friday. I'm very excited about it. So make sure that you have post notifications turned on. That way you guys will be notified every single time that we post a new video. We're going to be giving away stuff to those people who are in the comment section first. I'll just put it that way. Also, guys, I want to mention we're very close to 1,500 subs. We're at 1,425 right now, I believe. At 1,500, we're going to be doing a massive giveaway. Bots, proxies, shoes, all of it. So if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, do so now. And if you haven't shared the channel to everyone you know, share it to every single person you know. Share it on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, everywhere. Just get the channel out there so we can grow. Massive giveaway at 1,500, and then at 2,000, we're just going to blow the roof off and do a major giveaway with some extreme, like I'm literally already saving money for that giveaway. So very excited about that. Anyway guys, if you haven't checked out the latest live cop that we posted on Monday, I'll link it up in the cards right now. Go check that video out. But let's go ahead and unbox all these dunks right here. We have 4 dunks and then another shoe that we'll talk about, guys. We'll just have to talk about it. Anyways, first shoe out is a Nike Dunk Low in a size 3.5Y. This is going to be the Cobalt Dunk right here. I got this shoe on one of these sneakers restocks. I only got it because it's a size 3.5, which is what Christy wears. So I got it thinking maybe she would like it. She didn't like it, so we're gonna have to figure out what to do with it. I do want to mention, if you guys want to purchase any of these shoes, they're listed right now on soulstate.net at a steal price. I'm able to offer you guys a very good deal because I'm selling on my own site now. So if you guys want any of these shoes, any Yeezy 350 Mono Ices, anything like that, go to my website, soulstate.net, and the first, let's say 5 people to purchase a shoe off the website, DM me on Discord or Twitter, and I will give you guys a discount code. So make sure that you do that. Head over to soulstate.net to get these shoes. We have a Nike Dunk Low in a size 4.5Y. This is the Nike Dunk Low 399. This is the white pair. If I would have got this in my size, I would have worn it. It's got a gum outsole. I really like that, and I really like the colors and the brown swoosh on it. Very cool shoe, in my opinion. Now we have some Nike Dunk Highs. This one is a women's Nike Dunk High in a size 8.5. This is one of the more recent releases for the Dunks. This is the all pink, maybe crimson tint Nike Dunk High. It's really pink, guys. It's really pink. Not much to say about it. Not my shoe, but very bright. I'll say that. It's very bright. The last Nike Dunk High we have here is a men's size 8. This is the, I'm going to call it Kentucky Dunk High. And I actually do really like this one. I really like the colors on it. It's got that nice deep royal blue. I wouldn't wear it just because personally I don't wear Dunk Highs. I look weird in Dunk Highs. So I wouldn't wear it just for the model. The colorway is really solid though. I really like that. Let's talk about this last shoe real fast, guys. This is what you saw in the thumbnail. It's a Yeezy 450 in a size 8. It is the dark slate colorway, but honestly, the colorway doesn't matter. I just don't understand, guys. I just don't understand. What is this shoe? I mean, what is this? This honestly looks like a water shoe. that I bought at Walmart or Dollar General before. I mean, I don't understand the hype behind these shoes. Whenever Yeezy slides came out, I talked down on them, got them in hand, loved them. Yeezy foam runners, talked down on them, got them in hand, loved them. Yeezy 450s, talked down on them, got them in hand, and they're even worse than I thought. I mean, I guess the ortholite stuff in it is comfortable and cool, but no. This is just a no, guys. No. Kanye, Yeezy, you could have done better, man. You could have done better. I'll buy them to resell them because they have decent value, but to wear them, not for me. But if you guys like them, steal price on soulstate.net. So that's it, guys. That's what we have to unbox for you today. Next week's unboxing is going to be pretty insane. You will understand why when you see Monday's live cop. Yeah, it's going to be pretty wild. But anyways, guys, that's it. Thank you for stopping by the channel and watching the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this channel with anyone you know so we can get up to 1,500 subscribers and do that massive giveaway. I'm going to be pretty active from now on Twitter, so make sure you're following me on Twitter at SoulState1. And then also, guys, I want to remind you, I am doing the bot training classes. I have a group that I meet with probably once every 2 weeks or so. If you guys want to get in that training group, I have a few slots left. So DM me on Discord or Twitter to reserve your spot in that group. We have a really great group of guys meeting, and we're all learning things, and it's actually worked out well. A few of those guys have already caught from some of the knowledge that I've been able to pass on to them. So if you want any of those things, make sure that you DM me on Discord or Twitter. Also, guys, be sure that you have post notifications turned on for the Beater Box episode on Friday. Very first one of the channel. Honestly, since forever. That was what my channel started on, but I haven't done one since then. So we're going to call this the first beater box. It's a great beater box. I had a ton of fun opening it. And you guys will see why on Friday. So make sure that you're tuned into the channel with post notifications turned on. And we will see you guys on Friday.